There are a couple of, well, there are actually four system profiles on the last page, on the system page. You can load 0 through 3. The one that is in the 0 slot is the one that powers up, gets loaded when it at power up. And what I've got in there now is the way I like to play it. So you probably want to change that, but I thought I'd put it in the 0 slot just to give you a taste of the way I do things. So what it is it's non-traditional volume, so that it's closer is louder, right? Let me turn on the output so you can see that. Right? And it's 4.5 steps per open hook closed hand, which is about half of the sensitivity of your general analog theremin, or most theremins you run across will have about double that sensitivity. So I like to play with a very relaxed pitch field and a reversed volume field. So, but if you like more of a traditional theremin response, you can load system profile 1. Right? And you can see the LCD brightness changed because the LCD brightness is part of the system profile. So let's do an auto count. Okay, and that muted it, and we'll turn the output back on. So you can see the pitch field is much more sensitive, and the volume field is traditional, farther is louder. Okay, right. The system profile number 2, that was system profile number 1. System profile number 2 is just my profile again. That's in profile slot 0, and that's just so that you can load either 1 or 2 into 0 without destroying one of them. And then we've got system profile number 3, which is sculpture mode. And I mean, I've just got these set up for these. You can put whatever you want in these slots, but I just thought I'd, give you more of a taste of what it can do with these various profiles. So I'll show you the profile with the next video.